Now moving on to part C, I read, summarize 4 disadvantages of using future contracts as financial instruments. Future contracts, part C. Disadvantages of future contracts. Now, what are future contracts? Now, candidates, a future contract is a standardized derivative contract that is created and traded on the futures exchange, in which 2 parties agree that one party, who is the buyer, will purchase an underlying asset from the other party, who is the seller, at a later date and at a price agreed on by the 2 parties when the contract is initiated, in which the exchange, in which there is a daily settling of gains and losses, and there is a credit guarantee by the futures exchange through its clearing house. So it is a contract in which 2 parties come together, a buyer and a seller. It is a standardized derivative contract that is created and traded on the futures exchange. And there are 2 parties who agree that one party will purchase an underlying asset from the other party at a later date. That's why it's referred to as future contract, at a later date. So what are the advantages of future contracts? Do you understand? Now, the first, disadvantage. What is the advantages? The first limitation or the first disadvantage of future contracts is that there is only a limited number of currencies. It allows limited number of currencies. Futures contracts allows a limited number of currencies. Only a limited number of currencies are the subject of futures contracts. Although the number of currencies is growing, especially with the rapid development of economies in Africa, economies in Asia, and so on. So it allows a limited number of currencies to be traded. You may find maybe dollars, euros, and so on. That is futures contract disadvantage number 1. Disadvantage number 2 is that there are what we call hedge, it leads to hedge inefficiencies. Hedge inefficiencies. Hedge inefficiencies. Hedge inefficiencies. These inefficiencies are caused, the hedge inefficiencies are caused by having to deal in a whole number of contracts, and because of what we call the basis risk. And that is the risk that the future contract price may move by a different amount from the price of underlying currency or the underlying commodity. So those who trade in future contracts have to bear with the hedge inefficiencies, which is a limitation of the futures contracts. Number 3, unlike options, they do not allow a company to take advantage of favorable currency movements. Do not allow, the futures contracts do not allow the a company or a person who engages in it to take advantage. It does not allow the players to take advantage of favorable currency movements. Companies do not allow companies to take advantage of favorable currency movements or changes. Because the price is locked. Okay? The price is set today. So that when there are favorable foreign exchange changes, then the parties cannot take advantage of such movements. So that becomes a disadvantage. Number 4, the futures contract cannot be tailored to the user's exact requirements. Cannot be tailored to the user's exact requirements. Futures contract cannot be tailored to the exact user's requirements. That is candidates that the futures contracts cannot be standardized as the requirements of the users, and that becomes a limitation. These are 4 disadvantages of futures contracts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 marks. 4 marks.